The airport was buzzing with travelers, all lost in their own worlds. In the corner, a pregnant woman sat in a wheelchair, her face etched with exhaustion and anxiety. People passed by, pretending not to see her. She tried to call for help, but her voice barely rose above the chaos. Each passing moment felt heavier than the last. Her eyes filled with tears, not from pain, but from loneliness. Then, from across the hall, a man noticed her struggle. A single dad, juggling his toddler, immediately rushed over. "Do you need help?" he asked, his voice gentle but firm. Without waiting for a reply, he pulled out a chair beside her, lifted her gently, and guided her through the crowd. Strangers stopped and stared, some moved, most inspired. The woman smiled through her tears. "Thank you," she whispered. "No need," he said. "Everyone deserves a little kindness." In that moment, amid the chaos of life, the simple act of helping someone transformed not just her day, but reminded everyone watching of the power of compassion.